behind its imposing walls, built not only to protect the population, but also to uphold the order of the empire. A new day begins in Nanjing during the Ming Dynasty. It is the first year of the Jingtai era. Within these walls unfolds a living, carefully organized, and deeply ritualized world, where every daily gesture forms part of a larger structure. Rivers connect the city to its surroundings. Along them travel goods, people, and news, linking Nanjing to a vibrant network of exchange. With the first light of day, the city gates are opened. From nearby villages, farmers arrive carrying baskets of vegetables, rice, dried fish, and ceramics. All are drawn to the same place, the market, the true heart of the city. Water, essential to daily life, is drawn from the Qinhuai River and forms part of the city's habitual rhythm, a routine task that sustains its functioning. The Ming market is a bustling, animated space. Beneath fabric awnings, merchants display their goods, finely embroidered silks, highly prized by women of the time, and the renowned blue and white porcelain that came to symbolize Ming refinement. Every transaction is carefully negotiated, every coin matters. Among scents and flavors, local cuisine reflects the richness of the land and the diversity of urban life. Just a short distance away, artisans work in full view. Blacksmiths, carpenters, and potters shape everyday objects, while apprentices observe in silence. Knowledge is passed down from generation to generation, preserved as a living inheritance. Within the home, life follows a rhythm shaped by family and tradition. Beyond rules and hierarchy, it is also expressed through quiet, intimate gestures. Houses are arranged around inner courtyards where meals are prepared, conversations unfold, and ancestors are honored. Family hierarchy is clear. Elders decide, the young learn and obey. Education holds a central place, especially for men. Memorizing the classical texts and preparing for the imperial examinations offers a path to social advancement and service to the state. Meanwhile, in the administrative buildings, local officials are already at work. Dressed in sober robes and formal headwear, they record taxes, oversee trade, and maintain order. Bureaucracy underpins the empire. Everything is written, sealed, and archived, reflecting a system in which organization is essential to governing a vast territory. As evening falls, the city shifts pace. Tea houses fill with patrons who talk, listen to stories, or enjoy music. In nearby streets and courtyards, performances of Nanjing theater, considered the predecessor of Chinese opera, bring tales of heroes, moral values, and everyday life to the public through song and stylized movement. It is a time for rest, but also for social and cultural life. When night arrives, oil lamps cast a soft light along the paths. The city gates close once more, and silence gradually returns. Within the walls, the Ming city comes to rest, ready to repeat the following day, a routine in which work, tradition, order, and community sustain everyday life.